Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make the video of da64v automatic 4x4. This unit will be delivered to Bahor city, so we will make the video before to deliver it. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the like and press the bell button also to watch the latest videos. So let's start about this video, da64v automatic 4x4. Direct import from Japan by first owner. This is the 64V. Automatic 4x4 unit. Ready to drive. This is the side view. Japan surplus mugs, and the mugs is from the Japan R12. This is R13, sorry, 155-R65 R13. This is the aluminium mugs. Let's go towards next. The stickers is made by the Vicky Sons and Brothers Corporation. Wow. And this is the side view of the unit. And sticker nobody show, but I will show you my personal units. da64v automatic 4x4. And let's go, without wasting time, let's go inside because we will not make the too much long video. Very nice unit, da64v. Wow, let's see, look at that, very clean. I hope the customer will be happy too much, and I hope that everything will be nice. And because we adjust everything, stereo, this is the for Aircon, stereo, and everything we will explain later when I will go to the driving. Look at the upholstery, very nice upholstery, Suzuki upholstery. Look at that. Wow. Let's go back side. This is the back side of the unit. Back chairs. This is for the 5 passengers, and for the back you can put here seats also. For example, 3 to 4 people can sit here also. If you want to put here seats, we can put, but it's order from the customer. Look the front. Wow, look at that, very nice unit, very clean matting. Look at the roof, on the customer demand, the grey color roof, and link seats cover also on the customer. Backside view of this unit, da64v automatic. Let's go the back side. Four by 4, clean, very nice. Without wasting time, we will go inside and we will show you the everything, because I don't like to make the too much long videos because the customers will fed up, and I will show you the everything. And the seats here can be installed, back seats, okay. And very nice unit. Now we will start the unit and we will show you the inside of the function of the unit. This is the driving side video, and I will now show you the back side from the front side. This is back side, and we will start now the unit, and we will tell you the function. Here to start unit, just put one, if you want to put 1 feet you can put here. This is for the brake. This is hand brake or feet brake. Feet brake is called, no hand brake. And this is for the escalator. This is 4-wheel drive unit, you can see. Wow. And this is on. And now the aircon is function. This is how aircon function here, off, on. The stereo, touch stereo. You can change the gear, you can see here, reverse, and this is the neutral, this is drive, and you can see very nice, no anything. 137,000 kilometer only drive, Suzuki product. And you can hear slow and fast the aircon, 1, 2, 3, 4, and very nice, very chill aircon. This is the function, and the dashboard is very nice, you see. Wow. Let's get the overview of this unit. And this is the horn. Okay,